Hello everyone, this is Neha here and welcome to your channel English Accordingly. So guys, in today's video we are going to learn the words which are commonly confused. That means you do not understand the correct meaning of these words, and due to this you don't know how to use these words in the sentences and while making any kind of statements during English conversation. We'll learn around 4 to 5 words. We are going to learn all these things in this video, but before that there is a small request. If you are new to this channel or you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, do subscribe it and don't forget to hit the all notification bell icon so that you will never miss any latest update from this channel. So guys, without any further delay, let's start the video. So the first thing first that comes, the first category of words is admit and confess. Like in newspapers, in news channels, like I admit this conviction, I admit this. What does it mean? Admit means when you accept something as truth. For example, there are two friends. One has a good handwriting and another does not have. Now the one who does not have a good handwriting accepts the truth or agrees with this thing that he doesn't have a good handwriting as his friend. That means he admits the truth. So you are accepting it, you are admitting it. So that is what the real meaning of admit. The second one is confess. Confess means when someone commits a crime or do something wrong, or if they have done something, any kind of wrongdoing, they confess their crime, they confess the wrongdoing, they accept, they agree with that wrongdoing or whatever crime they have done. That means they confess it. So this is the real difference between admitting and confessing. Confessing when you are accepting your wrongdoing, and admitting means you are agreeing or accepting something as truth. This is what the real difference between admit and confess. Now the second category of words is both and each. It is simple, but we don't know how to use in the sentence. Both is used for two persons, when two things or two persons are involved. For example, both the friends go to the market every day, which means including two parties, including two people. Now the second one comes is each. Now each is always used for more than two persons or involving more than two people or two things or anything, whether it is living or non-living. It is always used in the sense of more than two people. Like each of the girl present in the class has a very good handwriting. Our motive behind making this statement that including each girl in the class. So this is what the real difference between both and each. Both comprises two people, whereas each comprises more than two people. Now the third category includes the pronunciation, where the pronunciation sounds the same, but their spelling is different and their meaning is also different. Like accept. Accept. The first one is ACCEPT. ACCEPT, accept, which means you are accepting something. Like I accept the generous people as they help the poor. I accept his generosity. That means I am agreeing with it. आप उसे स्वीकार करते हो. The second one is accept. EXCEPT, accept, which means excluding it. You are leaving it. Like there is a category of people where there is junior and senior. So excluding junior, the seniors are included. That means except juniors, all the seniors are present in the room. So accept, which means there is a sense of exclusion. The fourth category is beside and besides. We have often heard these words, right? But you do not know how to use these. So besides means in addition. BESIDES. BESIDES, besides, means in addition to something. Uske alawa. Like I have bread and butter in the morning besides drinking milk. That means in addition to having milk, I have bread and butter also. Now the second one is beside. BESIDE. Beside means nearness of something. किसी के साथ होना, किसी के पास होना. Like my school is built beside my home. मतलब मेरे घर के पास ही मेरा स्कूल बना है. There we have to use beside, whether it's a living or non-living thing. If me and my friend are standing, So my friend is standing near me, that means my friend is beside me. So this is how the difference between beside and besides. Besides means in addition, uske alawa, whereas beside means nearby or near something or someone else. Now the fifth category comes rob and steal. You have heard about robbers, the group of robbers when we are second and third standard, right? There are so many stories and lessons we had learned. But what are actually robbers? What they do? When we say rob and steal, rob means when you forcefully snatch something. You forcefully do something. जिन्हें हिंदी में डाकू कहते हैं, वो छीन कर ले जाते हैं चीज़ें लोगों से. That means they are robbing. They are forcefully snatching the belongings of others in front of them. They are forcefully doing it. That means they are robbing the property of someone. They are robbing anything. So that means they are forcefully snatching, or there is a sense of forcefulness in that. Now the difference between rob and steal. Now steal means when you do some kind of act which is in a surreptitious way, in a very stealthily way, बहुत ही चुपचाप से किसी का कुछ भी चुरा लेना. That means to steal something. The thief has stolen the money from the locker of a well-known businessman. अब यहाँ चोरी हो गई, बड़ी चुपचाप से हुई, यहाँ पर छीना झपटी नहीं हुई. There is no snatching, nothing forcefully has been done, but has been stolen in a very surreptitious, in a very silent and in a very quiet way. That means to steal. S-T-E-A-L. Stealing, चोरी करना. So guys, these are the 5 words that we have learned today. But what's the most important thing is we must know the correct meaning, and here the vocabulary plays a very big role while you are having a conversation with someone, you are writing a letter, you are having a presentation, you are making any kind of assignment. So the correct vocabulary is very important, where you have to use these type of words. They have a typical meaning, so they are quite different. I've also explained some words which sound the same but they have different meaning, and there are slight difference in some words like beside and besides. They have a different meaning. As you have learned the pair of words, so you have learned 10 words at least, the meanings and the usage. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button so that I can make more videos in the future for you, so that you can improve your vocabulary and improve your English conversation as well. And do share this video with your friends and family members also. And guys, if you're new to this channel or you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, do subscribe it, and don't forget to hit the all notification bell icons so that you will never miss any latest or helpful video from this channel. So guys, I will meet you in the next video with some kind of innovation in this learning process. Till then, bye bye and take care.